Welcome to my channel like Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought a new updates regarding engineers recruitment, trainee engineer and project engineer in one of the well reputed PSU, BAIL. It's a Navaratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under the Ministry of Defense requires the following personnel on contract basis for APM production, for export manufacturing, SC and US military radar and military communication, SV job, Bangalore complex. So there are two types of vacancies. First one, training engineers. In that there are total number of posts 308, and second one, project engineer. For that total number of posts 203. Upper age limit for training engineer 25 and for project engineer 28. For training engineer, they will provide first year 25,000, second year 28, and third year 31,000. And for project engineer, for first year they will pay you 35,000, second year 40, third year 45, and fourth year 50,000. And the place is in Bangalore. 4% of the post will be reserved for PWD, and so here all the reservation rules also apply. The upper age limit mentioned above is for general and EWS candidates. The age limit will be relaxable for SC and ST by 5 year and for ABC 3 year. Candidate belonging to PWD category having minimum 40% disability or more will get 10 years relaxation in addition to relaxation applicable to category mentioned here. The term of engagement for project engineer, it is initially for 2 years, which will be extended for another 2 years based on project requirement and individual performance. Salary already I have told you. For training engineer also, the probation the engagement initially for 1 year, which will be extended up to 3 years based on requirement and individual performance. Qualification, there are requirement for project engineer and training engineer. If you have 4 years BTech from reputed university institute in the engineering discipline of electronics, electronics communication, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical, electrical electronics, and if you have first class in the above discipline for general OBC and EWS candidate, and pass class for SC, ST and PWD candidate. Post qualification experience they are also required for training engineer. One, if you are freshers, then you can apply, and if you have completed its examination and all the requirement for award of engineering discipline in 2021 and should produce provisional degree certificate or engineering degree certificate at the time of joining. Then you can also apply. Probable date of joining is October 2021. Candidate who are currently still pursuing engineering degree or have backlog papers from previous semester need not apply. For project engineer, if you have 2 year relevant post qualification and industrial experience, then you can apply. Selection procedure, they will shortlist according to your academic and experience requirement. Experience based, 25% marks will be allotted for BTech marks, then 10% will be allotted for relevant work experience, 2.5 marks for minimum stipulated work experience, and additional 1.25 marks for additional 6 months of relevant work experience up to a maximum of 10 marks. Candidate will be shortlisted for the interview based on the above in the ratio of 1:5, means for one vacancy they will call 5 candidates. 15% marks will be allotted for interview, means 85% allotted by for marks in BTech and 10 and your experience, and rest 15% will be decided by interview. Candidate have to compulsorily provide CGPA conversion to percentage of marks as per guideline provided by concerned university. Failure to do so will result in disqualification. The list of candidates shortlisted for interview will be made available on BAIL website, so you have to check the website regularly. Result of final selection will be also available on BAIL website. How to apply? You have to apply by online by the relevant link provided against the advertisement. I will provide you the link. Last date is 15th of August. Then application fee for project engineer, it is 500 for general AWS and OBC candidate, and for SC ST it is free. For trainee engineer they will charge 200, and for rest it is free. You have to do payment by SBI Collect. You have to provide SBI Collect reference number generated after payment in the online application form. These are the documents which will be need during online application: 10th standard marks card, BTech degree certificate, all semester marks card or consolidated marks card, SC ST or OBC. If you have certificate, then you have to upload that. Then post qualification work experience also you have to upload. Then candidate working on permanent or fixed tenure basis in PSU government organization should completely submit the application through proper channel or produce NOC at the time of interview. General, the posting will be done based on company requirement. The selected candidates are required to covered under medical insurance scheme for a sum of 2 lakh per annum and submit the same on joining. Means at the time of joining you have to submit 2 lakh for medical insurance. In addition to the remuneration indicated, a consolidated amount of 10,000 per year will be paid towards experiences like medical insurance, premium, attire allowance, stitching charges, footwear allowance, etc. Only Indian national can apply. The post indicated above may vary based on actual requirement at the time of selection. No separate communication to any candidate on their non-selection at any stage. Will reserve the right to disqualify any candidate at any stage of the selection process for any reason, and they will deploy to work on project or station sites based on existence of work. If you have any clarification regarding any matter, then you can call on this number, and you can also mail on hrcompsame@bail.co.in. So you have a very good chance. If you are fresher or if you have 2-year experience, then you can apply here after, because this experience will work for other company also, means in future requirement also they will consider, or if you are applying for after working here in another company, then they will give value of this experience. So you must apply. That's all about today's. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe as soon as possible for upcoming updates regarding faculty recruitment or engineering vacancy requirement, etc. And share it with friends also. Thank you.